Okay, so this video is going to show you how to take a Vue coffee machine and that's by Keurig, and use a K-cup in it. K-cups are a lot less expensive, and you can make a lot more coffee per cup with this machine. What you're going to need is you're going to need a penknife or some kind of a sharp knife. You're going to need the type of K-cup we're going to be using is from the San Francisco Bay. I'm using a Rainforest blend, but they have one that's called Fog Lifter. It's 98% biodegradable. If you haven't tried this is very inexpensive. I'm trying to remember. It seemed to me like it was $30 for 80 cups or something like that. It's a lot. So anyway, you're going to need one of those. And this is what a Vue cup actually is usually looks like. It comes in and you just drop it in the machine, pull it down, and it works like a K-cup then. Alright, so the problem I have is you can't just set this in the machine because it falls down inside. So that won't work. So what we have to do is we have to figure out how to get that to where it'll sit inside that hole without falling on down. And the way that I came up with to do this is to just go ahead and take one of your used K-cups like this, and see it fits in here. It's just perfect. But the problem is when this lid comes down, it comes down vertically, and so this thing falls out, and then it gets stuck down in there, and it's just a mess down in there, and it's just a mess. So the way to get around this is I actually took my knife and I made a couple of slits on the side here from underneath. You can see there's one right there, and there's one right there, so that when I put that coffee into this cup, I push it down and the edges fit underneath those slips. It's kind of difficult to do this one-handed, so but anyway, you get the idea. So that now that it's in there, all with one hand, amazing. You just put it in there like that, pull the lid down. I don't have it seated well. Hold on just a second. Again, it's the one-handed problem. Alright, there we go. Pull the hand down. You're good to go. Make you some coffee. So, hope it works for you.